Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, but today I thought I would do a review of this homemade rendition of the 100-piece set. The 100-piece set was Learning Curve's first large Thomas Wooden Railway set in the early 90s. It was first released in 1993 with many engines and rolling stock to start off every collector's Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Now unfortunately, I do not have the Thomas Wooden Railway original 100-piece set. However, I do have a homemade rendition that is pretty accurate in my opinion. The original set came with James, Thomas, Mavis, a gray troublesome truck, Diesel making up for Mavis, an 8-inch brown turntable, the Archstone Bridge, a 6-inch tunnel, Elsbridge Station, a classic windmill, 2 special engine sheds, as well as some minifigures, signs, trees, and loads of click-and-clack track. Now for me, the only thing that is quote-unquote missing from my set is a Thomas Wooden Railway 1996 Mavis. This Diesel is making up for this Mavis, but once I get a Mavis, this set will be complete. Now that's all for this video. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.